to pay tribute to Mom, Grandma, and Great-Grandma White. 90 years ago, she was born here in Mesquite, down on the Lower Ranch, which is down where the Casablanca Golf Course, which, John, what's the other name?
The golf course casino, the Casablanca.
The golf course, down where the golf course is now. Straight down here, straight south of where we are right now, just less than a block away, is the house that she and Grandpa White moved to after the war. Grandma has lived in Mesquite all of her life except for the few years that they lived in Boulder City during the war, when Grandpa White was there on war-related projects. Grandma has lived here, as has her parents and grandparents. And the sixth generation, which is right here, of Grandma's children, so she has 6 generations that have lived here, that are living here in Mesquite. Grandma, last spring, April the 20, what was your anniversary? 29th, would have been their 70th wedding anniversary. They were married in the Salt Lake Temple, and they came back here. Grandma has seen a lot of change in Mesquite. If you sit and talk to her very much, she can tell you about the early days in Mesquite, which was pretty rough. Horses were the transportation, and they lived down on a ranch, down clear out of town, and Grandma would have to come up through the sand on horses and then her bike. And the story she tells about coming up through the soft sand and mud when it rained was really hard. Also, where they lived down there was just below McDonald's. We'll say down there where the McDonald's on that part of town was when her parents, her father, started the telephone company. And Grandma was a fast runner, and she was paid. They only had one telephone in the town when they started the telephone company. And Grandma, when a phone came in, she would run through town to get the people to take them back down to the ranch so they could get that long distance call. And when she was just a baby, she got very sick. The drinking water here was out of the ditch, basically. Out of the ditch that came from the river. And the water was not good, but it was the only water they had. And she got very sick, and Grandpa, her father, took her mother and Uncle Buck, if you remember Uncle Buck, Claire Pulsifer, up to the mountains where there are nice springs, good springs of good clear water. And they stayed up there until Grandma was dead. They really thought that they were going to lose her. It was so bad water. So Grandpa stayed up there. They camped out up there so that Grandma and Uncle Buck could have good water to get better. Grandma has seen the changes. I mean, we know what a traveler she is. So when she grew up here in Mesquite, she did not get too far beyond Mesquite, except for the Gypsy Pulsifers, who we all know how Grandma's grown up traveling. Their trips to California, driving from here straight to the beach, along the beach, and camping out on the beach. We know she's been to Australia, she's been to Europe, she's been to Chile, Canada. She's traveled a lot, and she has seen a lot of change. From the days of horse and buggy to the jet airplane. So 90 years represented to Grandma is a lot. And we all know and love her, and I'm so glad that so many of you made the effort. And we really have some people here who have traveled a distance. We appreciate all the good food that you've brought. Appreciate John for cooking the meat. Appreciate all of you for just being here and loving Grandma.